Good evening to all. We'll begin the class in just 1 minute, okay? I request everyone to just kindly keep your notebook and pen with you. Yeah, good evening, Niranjan. Yeah, good evening, everyone. Let me share the screen, then we'll begin. And we'll begin I think last question we left it that day, right? So we'll begin with that question, okay? Then we'll switch to this application of Trigo. Let me share the screen, then only we'll start. Yeah, just let me know everything, like audio, everything is visible. Screen is visible, everyone. Screen is visible. Okay, fine. So let's begin then. Let me check the screen. Yeah, fine then. Let's start the class then. Okay, first let's continue with that last question which we did, and that last part was left. So let me write the question first, then only we'll begin with this application of Trigo. Okay. So let me write the whole question. Okay. The question is, if, and those who got the answer of this one, you can match with this. Okay. I think last time we didn't kept the whole question, right? That's why the kind of confusion was there. So let me write the whole question, okay? Now check this. The question is this now. But last day I mentioned this that we are talking about the here triangle, okay? As you see this one, the triangle and all. So let's begin the things of this, and then we'll switch to last. Okay, so as we see here, we are having this first one, which is sec b plus c minus a equal to 2. So as we know, this sec b plus c minus a, and this is what it is, a value of sec 60, right? And remaining value will be this 60, right? Take it as the first one. Now second one. Second one is what? Tan c plus a minus b equal to 1 by root 3. So let me write the value first. This is what tan 30, right? Yeah. So final equation will come what? This one. Okay. For solving after this equation, I mean the first one and second one, let me write first c plus a minus b equal to 30. Now what we can cancel here, as we see here, we can cancel minus a plus b minus b, and 2c equal to what? 90 will come after addition, and c equal to 45. Till here we did last, right? Now what the next thing we have to do it, let me mention here. Next thing will come like this. See, let me write here better. See, that 45 value, which mean this put value of c in equation 1 and 2. Okay, put down in 1 and 2 here also and here also. So I'm doing directly. Okay, first will come what? B minus a equal to 15 will come, and this is our third equation. And second will come what? After putting c value here, it will come a minus b equal to 15 only, right? After this we can't able to solve, and as we know that here how we got 15 here, like after putting the C value here, 15, I mean 45 that side. So 60 minus 45 become 15. Okay. Same way here, 30 minus 15 become 45 become this one. Same thing. But here is minus. Here is minus. Yeah. Is it okay? Yeah, fine. Just let me continue. So here, let's do one thing. Take the B value from here or A value, anything. Okay. So if suppose we are taking the A B value, so what will come? 15 plus A will come, right? For taking B value. So what we do here, see this, find three angles of triangle ABC. Okay, as we know that if you will add angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 will come, right? No, say this, angle A as it is, angle B place, keep this one. What will keep? 15 plus A. Okay, 15 plus angle A plus angle C, we know that angle C what we have? 45. So keep 45 equal to 180. Understood what we did? Here we are having this three angles of triangle. So we know that addition of three angles will be 180. So A place A, B place what we kept? 15 plus A from this one. Okay. You can take it out from fourth equation also. Same thing will come. Okay. Don't worry about it. Either you take out from third one or the fourth one. Anything. Now, as we see here, A plus A become 2A and 15 plus 45 becomes 60 equal to 180. Okay. 2A equal to what? 180 minus 60. 2A becomes what? Here it becomes 120, and the A become what? 120 divided by 2, cancel out, it will become what? 60. That's all. And here just keep the A value 60. See, last answer. So A, this one value we got it, this one we got it. Now B, what is that? 15 plus A, right? So 15 plus 60, answer become 75. That's all. I hope this is clear now. Let me take a different color and let me round it. See, C value is this, A value is this, and B value is this. Is it clear what we did? Everyone? Let me know in the comment section, then only we'll proceed with this today's topic. Did you understand this? Till C part we did, but last thing what we did, we kept the C value in the equation, this one and this one. We got the final equation, and from this one we had taken out the B value and which we kept here to get the answer. Is it okay? Yeah, fine. Either you will get as a value as a 75, B value as a 60. Okay, same thing will come. Don't worry about it. If you're getting A value as 75 and B value as a 60, that is also correct one. Don't worry about it. Okay, that is also correct one. Maybe it will come. Here we got as what? A value 60, B value 75. So that is also okay. Okay. So let's switch to today's topic then. Yeah. So today's topic we are going to discuss on application for Trigo. Okay. Application of trigonometry, and totally we'll discuss about the PYQs only. And here also all the sections will be included. Okay. ABC, ABCD, and three questions from each sections, which mean total again we have to discuss here 12 questions total. Okay. I want your proper attention to for today's class, because this particular topic will be like kind of tricky and all, because sometimes for some questions the diagram will be provided, and for some questions you have to make it. So that's why I want the proper attention on the screen. Okay, let's begin with the section A, first one. Okay, let me write the whole question. If a pole 6 meter high cast a shadow, try to understand the figure. Okay, just don't directly start your answers, try to understand the figure and all. If you understood the pattern of the question, you can able to draw the diagram on your own. Okay. Long on the ground, full stop, the elevation is okay. Wait, just 2 minutes, 2 minutes. See, before starting this part, let me mention one thing before starting this, because we have a use of this one here. See, suppose we have here origin, here's the x-axis. Okay. If the angle will go up like this, that is the meaning of elevation, upside, okay. And same thing if, again this is there, if angle is going downside, so that is the meaning of what, if you see it is a kind of depression like this, which means downside. So this, just keep in mind, if in the question part it is saying that it is an elevation, so keep the angle on the top, upside. If it is a depression, keep from the below side. Okay, we have a use of this one, that's what I'm telling you. Is it okay? Then only will proceed further. Let me know, everyone. Elevation understood. The angle will which will go upside, and the depression means the which will go downside. Is it okay? Everyone, just let me know in the comment section. Then only will proceed. This is for the elevation. This is for the depression. Yeah, fine. Because we have a use of this one, that's why I mentioned this. Yeah, let's come to this question now. See, now question, check the question. If a pole 6 meter high, which mean the height is given here. Height is what? 6 meter. Oh, okay. Before that one, let me mention the options. 60 degree. B value is 45 degree. And if you know the answers, you can do directly. Okay, just you can continue because this is a MCQ. You can do it. No issues. If you know the answer, you can do directly. Okay, so 6 meter high, which means the height is 6 meter. Okay, cast a shadow. Shadow will be obviously on the ground, right? It is already on the ground. Your only shadow will come on the ground, right? Same thing. So ground is this, height is this, which means they see height is 6 meter, ground is what, 2 root 3 meter. Okay, the sun elevation. See, sun will be here. So sun elevation will be what? Which mean angle, it is asking about the theta value. So as you see here, it is a P value, this is a B value. According to P and B, what you will apply? Anybody have answer of this? No one. We are having here P value, which is what, 6 meter. B value is what? B value is 2 root 3 meter. You have to find the theta actually here. Get me the answer of this. Everyone, try to solve. According to PB, what you will going to apply, let me know. I will also write, you will also write. We have to apply this tan theta because tan stands for perpendicular by base. Here, tan theta as it is, P value keep it down 6, and this is what, 2 by root 3, cancel out. This will come 3 times, and this again root 3 times. And as we know that root 3 stands for tan 60. So theta become what? 60. That's all. Option A is the correct one. Let me check. Anybody got the answer? Yeah. See this. What is the pattern now? So according to given question, we made the diagram. Then only we proceeded further. For the MCQs and all, no need to draw the diagram. But for your own understanding and all, you can do it. But MCQs, we have having options here. So just better you go directly. Okay. So as we know here, P and the B was given because we know that shadow will be on the ground level only. High means what? Height only. And actually height stands for what? Perpendicular, right? And the shadow stands for base. According to P and B, we know that tan theta we have to apply, and we put the values, we got theta value. Okay, so let's proceed to the question number second. And if you'll see now, one thing is there in this particular chapter, the pattern will be same for every questions. If you understood the concept and the pattern, like it will be very easy for you to handle any questions and all. Okay, let me mention the second one now. A vertical pole, this is kind of long questions, so but still I will write the vertical pole 10-meter long. Now a vertical pole 10-meter long, so try to understand which value is this one. I hope you all got the answer in your mind that what is this. It is a perpendicular value, right? 10 meter will be the perpendicular value. Shadow of length 5 meter on the ground. Okay, at the same time, let me write the whole question first, then only you proceed with answers and all. At the same time, a tower. Today's class will be somehow longer one because we can't like focus on the timings and all that. We have to put this particular time for this complete question because I want the proper explanation of each question, then only we'll proceed to the next one. That's why this particular today's question will take time, kind of longer one. Okay. Cast a shadow of length 12.5 meter on the ground. The height of tower. Now check this. Let me give the option, then only we'll make a diagram. Here is 20 meter, B option is 22 meter, C option is 25 meter, and the last one 24 meter. Now check this out, everyone. Here things is given here. See, first thing, see, two parts are given here. First is what? A pole, okay, 10-meter long, which mean pole height is given. Pole height is what? 10 meter. Okay, fine, this is okay. And cast of shadow, shadow of length 5 meter. Shadow stands for base value, right? So base is given here. What is that? 5 meter. Is it okay? Which means if we will draw the diagram like this, so this is our pole, okay, of what? How much length? It is of 10 meter. Base is what? Base is of 5 meter. Next, nothing is given here. I mean, no any theta and all. Now here, next question. At the same time, tower cast a shadow of length. This one, shadow of length, which mean, let me draw the different diagram of this. Shadow of length means again the base value is given. Okay, this is tower. Okay, on the ground, height of tower is what? Okay, so question is asking about this value. This one. This is of pole. Okay, this is of tower. Check this out. What we did here. First thing is, okay, what we have to do here. So next thing, what we can proceed here. See, we were having a p value and the b value. Okay, here we have to find out the b is given. So it is written here. See this, at the same time, which mean we have to compare both of them. So write the ratio of the both of them, then equate it. So for example, what we going to do, p by b equal to p by b. Okay, which mean p value, b value, pole, put it out, 10 by 5. Is it okay? Equal to, here p as it is, because we have to find that one. Base is what? 12.5. Now cross multiply. So cross multiplication, after that one you'll get 12.5 into 10 divided by 5. Cancel out 2 times, and 12.5 into 2 becomes what? This become 25 meter. I hope this clear is under. Okay, okay. Is it okay, everyone? What we did here? Everyone, this is okay with everyone? Like, anybody have a doubt in this one? How we got 25 meter? For the both ratios, because we were having here p value and the base value, same way p value and the base value. That's why we compared both to get the p answer. I hope this is clear now. Yeah, fine. See, whenever the questions used to come, we have to separate it out like this, and according to that one, you have to make a diagram. Don't read a whole question, then start to draw the diagram. Just read out the short statements. Try the help of that one and just make a diagram. Let's go to question number 3. Question number 3 is, okay, this question just try on your own. Okay, the height of a tower is, see here is, it is clearly written that height of tower is 20 meter. Height of tower means p value. Okay, the length of its shadow. See, every time the shadow word is getting used. So what it means, shadow stands for the base value. Just remember it. On the level ground, when the sun altitude is 60°. Say this. Let me put on the options, then only we'll proceed further. Okay, 20 by root 3 meter. B option is 20 by 3 meter. C option is 20 root 3 meter, and the last one 20 meter. Now check this out. Read the statement, short one. The height of tower is 20 meter. Okay, fine. We have a tower here which is of 20 meter length. This is done. The length of shadow made a level ground when the sun altitude is 60 degree. Okay, so here we are having a theta value. Check this out. Here we are having a theta answers. So which mean sun will be here. Okay, it is making a theta degree. What is that theta value? It is a 60 degree, and shadow stands for this part only, base value, right? This is a shadow part. So mainly the question asking about here, what is the base answer? What is the base value? So as we see here again, what you'll apply here, we were having a p and the base, same thing apply, tan value only, p by b. Fine, keep the values. So tan 60 is equal to p value is what, 20 divided by base. Tan 60, we know that, what is that? Tan 60, it is root 3, 20 by b, and then final answer will come what, after cross multiplication? B becomes what, 20 by root 3 meter. That's all, which means the option A is the correct one. Let me check, anybody got the answer? Yeah, fine, good. So I hope these three questions are clear now. Anybody have a doubt, you can just put on the chat section now. Then only we'll proceed with the section number B, because the question level will going to rise. Anyone? I want, like, anyone having a doubt and all, you can just ping in this chat box. See, those who are having a clear and all, no need to just text it. Those are having a doubt, just text in this chat option, please. Feel free to ask, no issues. Anyone? We'll wait for some seconds. Then I can able to, like, 20 by root 3. Yeah, Uday, correct. Fine. Same answers. Good. So I hope this is clear now. Okay. So let's proceed with now section number B. And here you need to draw the diagram also in your answer part and the proper content of this. Okay. MCQs and all, we are drawing the diagram just only for understanding ourselves, not like explaining to others. Okay. Okay, let me put the question. The ratio of the length of vertical rod. Today I am going to write the whole question, then only you will understand better, okay? Because this chapter particularly is about all about the word problems only, that's why. And the length of its shadow is, better you also copy with me, okay? 1 is to root 3, okay? Find the angle of elevation. Question is this. Here the ratio is given. So just figure out what to do here, okay? See, easy one, no need to worry about. By the help of the question, we'll first draw the diagram, okay? Ratio of length of vertical rod. Okay, same way. We are having this, wait, just let me draw in the side because we don't have that much of space. Yeah, see, this is our tower, okay? And the shadow is this, okay? Question is asking about what? Find the angle of elevation, which means theta value it is asking about. Here, 1 is the value of what? 1 is the value of length, I mean the height, okay? And this is the value of what? Shadow, which means the base value. But in this question, we are having this in the ratios. So you know this what? For the ratios question, if it will come, we have to attach a variable with that one, okay? So first assume it. So let assume height of tower B, what you write? 1x, okay? Same way, let assume shadow of tower B root 3x, okay? It is a like fixed thing what if you get the ratios questions, you have to attach a variable with that, which mean now here we are having a 1x value. This is what? Root 3x value. Okay, now as we know this is our p value, this is our base value. We have to figure out theta. So again, p by b stands for tan only. So tan theta is equal to what? P by b. Okay, Keep the values. Tan theta, P values what? X. 1x can be written as x only. And root 3x. X cancel. What is remaining? 1 upon root 3. Fine. As we know that 1 upon root 3 is what? Tan 30 answer. Okay, 1 by root 3 is 30. So theta become what? 30. That's all. That is the answer. Yeah, I think most of you got the same answer. See, this is a proper way to answer it because it is having a 2 marks problem. So you have to draw the diagram also. Then assume it. Don't do directly, okay? Assume it like this. Then write the proper answers like this. That's all. I hope this is clear now. See, we were not having the diagram in this particular questions, but we made it. So this way only just do some practice of some questions, you will get the ideas. Okay. Now let's switch to question number 2. Question number 2 here. Let me write first. Question is a ladder 15-meter long. Now figure out what are the given. Okay. Makes and angle of 60° with the wall. Try to imagine that diagram in your mind, okay? Then only just put it on the paper. Try to imagine this. Find the height of point where the ladder touches the wall. Now check this out. Ladder is of 15-meter long. Okay, so by the help of this one, we can able to figure out at least something. This is our wall. Okay, let me mention this also. This is a wall. This is our ladder. Okay, and obviously this becomes the base. Okay, let me mention that also. This is what? 60°. See, it is angle making what? 60 here. Ladder is how many long? 15 meter long. Okay, so we mentioned that also. Question is asking about what? Find the height of point where the ladder touches the wall. Here it is touching it. So which means the question asking about this one, this red color mark. Okay, let me know according to the Pythagoras theorem, this is our P, this is our H, this is our B. So according to P and H, I know what you will apply. So just apply and get the answers. Anyone apply this? At least we made the diagram and now try to apply this. What the answer will come. We have to figure out the P value. Remember this. Let me check. Anybody have answer of this? Root 5. No. Again, try this. Try this. Try this. Anyone have an answer? That's why I'm just stop. Try this, everyone. Try this. P by H. What will come? Let me also start. Okay, we have to figure out P values. H is given, that is 15 meter. According to P by H, what will come? Sine, right? Sine theta is what? P by H. Theta value is 60 given. Sine 60 is equal to P by H. So P by 15. Now, let me check. 15 root 3 by 2. Okay. Okay, sine 60 is what? Sine 60 value. What you kept as sine 60 value? Sine 60, what you kept? Anyone? Sine 60, what you kept? Root 3 by 2. Okay, fine. So keep that value then. Sine 60 root 3 by 2 you kept? Fine. P upon 15 cross multiply. So P equal to what? 15 into root 3 divided by 2. Keep it as a meter. Done. Okay. And if you want to make it more smaller, you can just cancel out. Keep it as 7.5 into root 3 meter, and just keeping, let me keep or also. And if you want to make more small, so keep root 3 value, then multiply with 7.5. That is also okay. Is it okay, everyone? Yeah, fine. 15 root 3 by 2. Fine. Yeah, correct. Same thing. Good. Okay, so we are done for this one, and let's switch to the question number 3. Question number 3 here. Okay, in this question you have a diagram here provided. Okay, so let me mention the question first. Okay, the question is, in the given figure, AB is 6-meter high pole. No need to draw the diagram because in this one diagram is provided. Okay, and CD is a ladder. Okay, CD is a ladder here, inclined at an angle of 60 degree. Actually, the question is little bit like kind of lengthier and complicated. That's why the diagram is provided. Okay, and reached up to a point D of pole, full stop, if AD equal to 2.54 meter, find the length of ladder. Find the length of ladder. Okay, question is there, and let me draw the diagram also, because in this question we have having a diagram here. Okay, the question is this. Check this out, everyone. C here, B here, D here, A here. Okay, AD is given 2.54 meter. Okay, AB is also given 6 meter, and 60 is provided here. Question is asking about what? Find the length of ladder, which means DC value. Let me make a mark. DC. What is the length of DC? What you will going to do? Just let me know, everyone. Question is asking about finding the length of ladder. Apply your brain and get me the answer of this. What you going to do? I will also write. Just you also continue. Okay. Here AB given. Let me take a different color. Here given AB is 6 meter, AD is 2.54 meter. So DB will be what? DB will be AB minus AD. Okay. 6 minus 2.54. 6 minus 2.54 become, this become what? 3.46 meter. Okay. Okay, at least we got this value. Okay, this value is what now? 3.46. Okay, as we know that, let me take a dark color. Yeah, as we know, this is our P, this is our H, theta is given. So in triangle DBC, first we subtracted here to get the this value. Okay, this value, because DBC triangle we can take. Okay, perpendicular height. So according to P and H, what you going to apply? Sine. So sine theta is equal to what? P by H. Sine 60 equal to P value is what? P value is 3.46 divided by H. Okay. Sine 60, what will read? Root 3 by 2 equal to 3.46 by H. Next, cross multiply. After that one, let me write the answer directly. You will get 4 meter as answer. Yes. So length of ladder is 4 meter. Check this out what we did here, everyone. What we did here, see. Uh, First thing, let me make a mark here. See, this value was given AD, this AB was given whole. Okay. So what we did here, first we want the value of this one, this blue color. Okay. So how to get it? The whole minus this half. So we got 3.46. This one. So as we know that in this triangle, which means in this blue color triangle, this is our H, which is what? Ladder. So P value we got it. So H value we have to figure out. According to P by H, we know that sine theta will apply. We applied it, we got the answer. Is it clear, everyone? Praneet Sai, you got 6.9. No, no, no. No, no, no chance. Root 3, do one thing now, Praneet and all. Here actually, why I'm keeping this 4 meter directly, because in this question part, it is given that we have to use root 3 value as 1.73. Okay. When you'll keep this now, you'll get the same answer. Now try it. Here actually in this root 3 value is given 1.73. You don't take 1.79. You'll get 4 meter. Check it out. Check this. The same answer. 4 meter is the correct one. Okay. Now okay, fine. Okay, Ayan want me to do. Okay, fine. So okay, fine. Just let me mention here then. Root 3 value, what I told, 1.73. Okay. Divided by 2 is equal to 3.46 by h. Cross multiply. H will come what? 3.46 into 2 divided by 1.73. Now check this out. This cancelled out 2 times and 2 into 2 become 4. Easy. This one I had cancelled out 1.73, 3.46 2 times and 2 into 2 becomes 4. Is it okay, Ayan? Is it okay? Yeah, easy one. Fine. Okay, section B done. Now let's switch to section C. Now let me mention the first one, section C. Okay, the question is a little bit lengthier, but still try to copy this. Here in the given diagram, given figure, in the given figure, the AB is tower of height 50 meter. Questions are like kind of all, if you'll see, all are having a same concept which you have to apply. No, like any extra effort and extra uh, knowledge and all you want in this one. Just simply same thing, same pattern everywhere. Observe two cars on the opposite side. Okay, of the tower with angle of depression. See, angle of depression is used, which means the angle will go down. Okay, angle of depression 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. Find the distance between two cars. Find the distance now. We are switched to section C. Okay, so little bit the content part and all you have to write it more. Okay, let me draw the diagram first. Here we were having this kind of see, It is straight line only, okay? Straight line. Let me take a straight line. It is a 50 meter, okay? A, B, D, C. Yeah, see, here is 30 degree, here is 45, okay? Car first is here, car second is here. Question is asking about find the distance between the two cars, which means the question is asking about what, you know this, AD distance between two cars. The values are given. What you going to do, which mean we need AB value also, we need BD value also, okay? If you will going to get this BD and AB, we will add it, we will get the answer. But how to figure out AB and the BD? See, one just only single concept which we're going to apply here, the triangle concept. What is that? See the Z shape here. Let me mark it. See the Z shape here, everyone. Z here is 45, so this become what? 45, okay? Same way, opposite way here. Is it Z? So this is 30, this become what? 30. Now, come to the last question now. Say this. Here, theta is given, which means, let me write, in triangle ABC, take the first triangle, this triangle, just take it this triangle now. First one, this blue color. First, what we did, theta, I mean, 30 degree was given up, but we know that Z shape is there. So we kept inside 30. Now theta, we got it. What is that? 30 degree. And what is this value? This is a P value, right? 50 meter. So P is what? 50 meter. And we have to figure out what? Base. So according to P and B, you know what you're going to apply. Same thing applies this side also. In triangle, which one? In triangle BCD, this one, this green color, okay? We were having this theta, okay? P value you have, again figure out the B and then you add it. You'll get the answer. Figure out everyone, this one. Just try to answer it. Try to answer this. Okay, as we know, we have to figure out here base values. So P by B stands for what? Tan only. So tan theta is equal to P by B. Tan 30 is equal to 50 upon base. Tan 30, what are you going to keep? 1 upon root 3. So 50 by B, cross multiply. Base value, we got it at least 50 root 3 meter. Okay, in this one done. Now let me write the different triangle. Now in triangle BCD, okay, we know that theta is what? 45. Base we have to find out, and the P is what? 50 meter. Okay, again same formula application. Tan theta equal to what? P by B. Tan 45 is equal to 50 upon base. Tan 45 is 1. 50 by B, cross multiply. Base value will get what? 50 only. Check this out. Is it okay? Now, as we see here, this value is what? This value is 50 root 3. And this value is what? 50. Okay. So, let me mention here. Therefore, AD equal to what? AB plus BD. Okay. AB is what? 50 root 3. BD is what? 50. And you can't add this one. So, better you just take a common and let it be as it is. Let it be as it is. We can't take a common here. Check this out, everyone. What we did here. So just mention that. So the distance between two cars is 51 minus root 3 meter. That's all. I hope this is clear now. Is it okay, everyone? Understood this? What we did here? Angle of depression was there. Angle of depression. See this. Angle was given here. So first we applied AIA, which is what? Alternate interior angle. We kept inside. After keeping inside, then it becomes easy to answer it. Okay. 50 to 3 plus 1. Yeah, Uday, correct. Yeah, 1 will come. Yeah, fine. I kept minus. Yeah, fine. 50 plus 1 root 3. So is it clear now? BCD and ABC. Okay. So let's switch to next. I feel understood this one. Now let's switch to question number second. Question second now. Question second is the shadow of. See, every time this shadow word is coming and all. So which means the question is going to little bit lengthier, but the things are same, concepts are same. At a time is 3 times as long as its shadow. The shadow of tower at a time is 3 times as long as its shadow. The shadow of a tower at a time is 3 times as long as its shadow. When the we'll explain in brief. Don't worry about it. When the let me write the question first. When the angle of elevation of the sun is 60 degree, full stop. Find the angle of elevation. Find the angle of elevation of the sun at the time of. Now check this out. So let's read question one by one, then only we'll figure out the question answers and all. Okay, say this. Let me take a color. Yeah, say this. A shadow of a tower at a time is 3 times. At a time stands for same time. Okay, don't confuse in this one. At the same time, shadow of tower at a time is 3 times as long as its shadow, which mean uh, one shadow will be, suppose let's assume as x, so the long one will becomes what, 3x. Okay, angle of elevation is given 60 degree. Question is asking about find the angle of elevation at the same time of longer, which means see 60 degree is the angle of this small shadow. Okay, I mean the short one. Question is asking about find the theta value of the longer shadow. The kind of diagram will come like this. See, suppose let me take a small example. See, suppose we have this is a tower. Okay, let me draw this. This is a tower, which mean this is a tower. Okay, now let me take small shadow first. Suppose this is a small shadow. Okay, and we will write the statement also. We will assume as x. Let me mention the name also here, A, B, C. Okay, if this is a shadow here, this is a small one. Okay, let me mention that also, small shadow. Hmm, just 2 minutes. Okay, yeah, see this is a small shadow. Okay, which we kept as a x, and with small shadow what is making out how many angles, 60 degree, which means this is become what, 60 degree. Okay, now if we are increasing it, the shadow part, which means just take it as a long one. Now this whole become what, how many, whole become 3x, 3 times. Now here again it is making how many. So question asking about what is this theta, this value, this blue color theta is asking about what is the answer of this. X, this is a small shadow, this whole is the big shadow, this whole is the big one. Small shadow we assumed as x, big one as we assumed as 3x. How to get the answer of this? If anyone, how to get the answer of this? First, you understood the question part? Did you understood? Let me know in the comment section first. With the small shadow, it is making of 60-degree angle. With the long shadow, that is the only question asking about what the elevation will come, what the angle will come. 90. No, I don't have in my notes that 90. 90 will not come over there. See, what we're going to do, let me mention all the names first. Here is A, B, C, and D. Okay, let me take a first triangle. Let me take the first triangle in triangle ABC. Okay, theta is given. Theta is 60-degree. Perpendicular value is what? Height only, right? We don't have any perpendicular, so let it be. This is a P value, P only. And the base is what? Base is X. Okay. So by the help of P and B, what are you going to apply? Tan theta, right? So tan 60 is equal to P by B. Okay. Tan 60, we know that. What is that? Tan 60, root 3. P, what we kept? H only, the height, right? Base is what? X. So we are not going to get anything here. So just take it as a 1 because maybe we will use this. Now, first we had taken this small triangle to get the value. Okay. Then take a whole triangle, the big one. Whole triangle. Now let me mention that name. In triangle ADB. Okay, theta we don't know. Okay, P value is what? Height only. The base is what? 3x. Fine. Again, same thing will come. Tan theta is equal to what? P by B. Theta we don't know, so just keep it as it is. P value is what? H, and the base is what? 3x. Till here it is okay. Everyone, till it is okay. Now, to getting the value of, this tan, what you going to do? After this, can you able to write the process? Anybody have idea? Anyone? I feel those who got, I think, yeah, Uday got the answer, 30. Yeah, 30 is the correct one, Uday. What you going to do here to get the value of theta, which means this one, theta, see, this one. 70% is done. Now what you're going to do here? How to get the value of theta? Anyone? Let me check. No one till yet. Okay, fine, no issues. So what we're going to do here, just cross multiply here now. Here, h value we will get from this one, h value. So what it's going to do, root 3 into x and h from here, okay? So what we're going to do, put value of h in equation 2, okay? Equation 2, we know that what is that? Tan theta is equal to h by 3x. Keep the value here. Tan theta equal to h value, what is that? Root 3x. So root 3x divided by 3x. Cancel out. And here, how many times we can cancel? Root 3 times. So what will come? Tan theta equal to what? 1 by root 3. And we know that 1 by root 3 is what? Which value? Tan 30 value, correct? So theta become what? 30-degree. I hope this is clear. Is it okay, everyone? Is it okay? What we did here? First shadow was we assumed as x. Okay. First we assume x, and we are getting here what? 3 times as long. So which means 3x. Separately we kept the triangle, we got the ratios, and we kept the value, we got the answers. Understood? I feel you understood. Like, okay, let me proceed further. Question number 3. Okay, question number 3, last question for this section. Question is, from a point on the ground, put the full stop, the angle of elevation. Okay, at least you understood what the elevation will come. Elevation of bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed on the top of 20-meter high building. Check this out, what the question is saying. Okay, building are 45-degree. Let me complete first, then only read the statement. Okay, respectively. Find the height of tower. Find the height of tower. This is actually, this example is like life, I mean the real life examples. Okay, the question is, see this. Question is, see this now. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation, bottom and top of transmission tower fixed on the top of 20-meter by like this building part. So suppose we are having a building here. This is our building. Okay, on the top of it, the tower is there. I feel you've seen somewhere also this kind of this one. On the building and all, we used to keep the towers. This is a tower, okay? Building is this. Building height is given. What is that? 20-meter. Okay. Now, angle elevation, first it is making 45-degree. Second, it is making 60-degree. So first, with the building make 45 and with the tower make 60. That's all. Question is asking about find the height of tower, which means the question asking about what is the length of this. What is the length of this small one? I hope this is clear now. You can figure out the answers. Figure out everyone what will come. This is our building. This B part I kept as a building. T as a tower. Tower is on the top of the building. Building height is given. With the building, and this is our ground. With the building, it is making 45-degree, and with the tower, it is making 60-degree. Figure out. We don't have any base value here. We don't have. Figure out the answers. Let me make a mark of this one. What the values we have here. Here, let me keep A, B, C, D. I hope you can figure out the answers, like kind of easy only. So first, try to figure out. See, first take this BCD triangle, this BCD small one, because you're having two values here. What is that? You have a perpendicular base. Take it as a base only, and the theta value you have 45. So just figure out this. So just mention it in triangle BCD. Okay, theta is what? 45. P is what? 20 meter. Base value we don't know. So let it be as it is. According to P by B, again tan theta will come. So tan 45 equal to P by B will come, and 1 tan 45 become 1. This is what 20 and the base become what after cross multiplication? Base become 20 meter. See, base value we got as a 20 meter. This one 20 meter now by the help of this. Now you have base. You have to figure out this one. I'm keeping the red color. What is the answer of this? How to figure out? Try this. Try this. Now take the whole triangle ACD, the big one. In triangle ACD, okay, what are you going to do? Do we have theta? We have, yes, we have a theta, 60-degree. We have a base. What is that? 20 meter. But according to height, what we have? Height, we have what? BC value we have, but AB we don't have. That we need to figure out, right? So BC, at least keep it. BC is what? 20 plus AB. So this is our height, correct? Now keep all the values, then we will get the answer. Height means like perpendicular. Okay, let me mention that. First, I will check anybody got the answer or not. Anybody got the answer of this? Ground 20 meter. No, I don't have that answer over there. Let me continue. Uh, Tan theta equal to P by B. Now keep all the values. So tan 60 equal to P value, what we have, 20 plus AB, and the base value is what, 20. Tan 60 is what? Tan 60 is root 3. So 20 plus AB by 20. Okay. Cross multiply. So 20 root 3 will come and 20 plus AB. Okay. Next thing what we can do, Uday and all, everyone. Here again, use now root 3 as 1.73 value. Then only we get the answer. Use that. I will continue with my answer. You just continue. Here AB value, how to get 20 that side. So AB value will be AB value will be 20 common. So root 3 minus 1. Okay. And when you keep 1.73 as a root 3 value, minus it. Here I'm writing down now. Here after that one, 20 equal 20 into, mention it, AB equal to what, 20 into 0.73. After multiplication, I feel you'll get 14.6 meter. Check this out. 14.6 AB value. Yeah, for those who got 14.6, that is the correct one. Root 3, we have to use this 1.73. Okay. Is it clear, this question now? Is it clear, everyone? We were having to find this AB, so we kept as this one only. Okay, AB everywhere. See, we have to find this one only, right? And we know that perpendicular stands for what? P stands for what? The whole one. That's why this part was given 20 meter. This we have to figure out. So just we kept what? BC plus AB. That we kept there. Okay. I hope this is clear now. Fine. Let's switch to last section, which is of 5 marks each. As I told, this session will be a little bit lengthier, so it is going a little bit lengthier, but still, at least we are getting a benefit of something. Okay, question number. Now let's switch to this last one. Keep a question number 1. It is a kind of long question, but still I will write. Just give me 1 minute maximum to write the question first. You also copy, okay? Or either you take a screenshot or something. Leads to the foot of a tower. Put a full stop. A man standing on the top of 75-meter high tower observes 2 cars at the angle of depression 30 degree and 60 degree. Angle of depression is which means the angle will go down. Okay. 2 more lines are there which are approaching. Okay. Approaching the foot of tower. If one car is exactly behind the other, see the kind of question, little bit lengthy, right? But still we will easily figure out the diagram because diagram is not provided here. other on the same side of tower. Find the distance between two cars. Okay, the question is kind of same which we did in the 3 mark section. Okay, find the distance, but the diagram will be changed here. Okay, it is not the same diagram we have to keep. Distance between two cars. Okay, start figure out the things now. A straight highway leads to the foot of tower. Okay, a man standing on the top of the tower, which is tower is having a height of this. Observe two car at the angle of depression 60 and 30 and 60. One car is exactly behind the other on the same side of tower. Find the distance between two cars. Okay, according to given diagram, I hope you can easily make out this diagram at least. Can you able to figure out the diagram? See here it is actually what, see this, where is the depression? Yeah, see this angle of depression, which mean angle of depression I told it will go down. So here we are having a two angles. Check this out, 30 and 60. So first let me make 30°, then second one let me make 60. Okay, so just make a same ground level. See, very easy we kept it now. This is our tower. First angle 30, second angle 60, the big one. Okay, here is our car one, first one. Here is our car second. Okay, so let me make a mark of this by the alphabets. This will be easy for us. A, B, C, and D here. Now, what you will going to do to get the answer? Question is asking about find the distance between two cars. Here is car one, here is car two. What is the distance here? CD is the distance, right? The question is asking about the CD length here. Tower height is given. What is the tower height? 75 meter. What you going to do here? Tell me, everyone. Again, we have to apply that AIA, alternate interior angle. If you remember, alternate interior angle. Remember, see this kind of Z shape will come. Is it Z? So this become what? 30. Same way, the big one. This is what? 60. So this become what? 60. That is a use first. Okay. Now, can you able to figure out the answers here? I hope you can do it now. Try to figure out the answers, everyone. First, what you going to do? First, apply for this one. Take this triangle ABC, because you are having theta also, perpendicular also, so you can easily able to figure out the base. Try that. In triangle ABC, theta we have 60. Perpendicular we have 75. You all just better you just write your own answer. Okay, just continue with the answers, try on your own, because like kind of questions we had practiced, so you can do it. It is a 5 marks question, so boys and girls, please try to understand. You have to write a content on this one, proper content, please. So tan 60 is equal to 75 by base. Tan 60 we know what is that, root 3. So 75 by base, and the base become what? Base becomes 75 by root 3 meter. Okay, at least we got the BC 75 upon root 3 meter. Okay, but we need what? We need this we need this CD. Now, how to get that one? Now take a whole triangle, okay? The whole triangle. In triangle ABD, it is I think the same question which we did previously. Theta value 30°. Perpendicular we have, what is that? 75. The base we don't know. Okay. Let's figure out then. Again, P by B. So tan 30 is equal to what? P by B. Tan 30, what are you going to do? 1 by root 3 is equal to 75 by base. But the base, you know what is that base here? Let me mention. We are talking about the whole base. Whole base. Base stands for this. BC also will come, and we have to write the answer of this one. BC, what do we have? This 75 by root 3 now. So base here stands for what? 75 by root 3 plus CD will come. Correct? So that you need to keep here. So let me keep here below. 75 by root 3 plus CD. So see this, you have all the values, just cross multiply, you will get the answer. Check this out, do it. Do on your own, please. We are in the last part of the answer. 75 by root 3 plus CD is equal to 75 root 3. Okay. And let me write here. CD become what? 75 root 3 minus 75 by root 3. After cancellation and all, you will get again root 3 value, keep it as a 1.73, same value. Okay, after keeping that, you'll get 86.5. Final answer of this. CD will come 86.5. I had already solved it. Just continue. Root 3 value, just keep it as 1.73. Understood this? What we did here, boys and girls? Let me know in the comment box. I think this question was on the same pattern which we did previously. Same thing was there. Just only need to make sure one thing. Here we have a use of AIA, alternate interior angle. Okay. Then just take a triangle, figure out the value. Again, take a second triangle, figure out the values, and then run. Okay, everyone. Keep a root 3 value as 1.73, which we are keeping from the previous questions. Same thing, just keep it here. You'll get 86.5 meter. Check this out. Is it okay, everyone? I want the answer from everyone, please. Those who are like watching the class, please be kind of active. Try to understand this one. Please be active. $86.3. I think Praneeth got the answer. 86.3 you're getting. Okay, you are having a nearby answer, but I got 86.5. Just one time again check now. Check in the calculator or something. 86.5 will come, but if you were getting 86.3, that is also okay, no issues. Just a minute like difference is there, so like it is like we can ignore. Okay, mention in the concluding statement. So the distance between the car is 86.5 meter. Mention that, please. It is a 5 marks question. You have to write the given body conclusion. This thing we already discussed. Again, I'm repeating it. CD value we got here. CD value 86.5. Write the last statement. Distance between two car is 86.5 meter. Okay, fine. Those are getting the nearby answer. It's okay. Fine. Let's switch to question number 2. Question number 2. And question number 2 is, yeah, let me keep the question first. From the top of a tower, 50 meter high, the angles of depression, you just try making the diagram. Okay, angle of depression, which means angle will go down. Try to make a diagram of the top and bottom of a pole are observed to be 45 and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of pole. Find the height of pole if the pole if the pole and tower stand on same plane. Yeah, the question is done. And here this thing will come, maybe 1 by root 3 somewhere it will come. Okay, in the last part, if 1 by root 3 is coming, you have to use that 1.577 value if it will come. Now check this out, what is the question is saying here. Question is, let me take a different color. Yeah, the top of a tower is 50-meter high. Okay, so let me make it first. Here it is what, this is tower, it is of 50-meter. First one done. Angle of depression of top and bottom of a pole are observed. So which mean, first angle, see, angle of depression of top and bottom of pole, which means suppose the pole will be kind of this is a pole. Okay, this is our tower. Angle of depression, so which means first angle will go down like this. To Let me take first. Yeah, see, first angle will go down like this one, first one. This is of 45 degree. Top is the 45. Okay, bottom is what, 60. So again from here to here, so this whole become what, 60. Is it okay? Join this is our ground. Find the height of pole, which means the question asking about height of pole will be what, p value. Check this out, what we are going to do here. Let me make a mark, A here and B, C, D. Yes, question asking about height of this. But as you see here, uh, if you will take ABC triangle, which mean this one, it is a right angle triangle. Okay, but if you'll talk about ACD, which mean this blue color, is it right angle triangle? It is not right angle triangle, right? So we can't apply that concept to, like, ratio concept and all. So how to get the answer then? A kind of small construction is there in this one. What is that construction? I will let you know. Say this. What is construction here? Here the construction is this. Just join this one, because to make it 90, here we can make it 90, and just make a mark E here. Say this. So see the Z shape. Z is there. So this become also 45. Okay. Now if we'll talk about this 60 degrees, so which means this whole will come. So this become what, 60 by the help of AIA for the both. Is it okay? Now how to get the answer of this one then? Just take that first triangle, in triangle ADE. Okay, theta is what, 45. But do we have a AE value? We don't have here. We don't have this one. We don't have base. Nothing we have. So just keep it as it is. So tan theta equal to what? P by B. Tan 45 P by B. Tan 45 is what? 1. And P by B cross multiply. B equal to P. Okay. This is a came. So which means this AE is equal to what? ED. Okay. So next thing what we can do here. Now let's take a big triangle, this ABC. In triangle ABC. Okay. ABC, do we have a theta? Yes, we have a theta which is of 60 degree. Perpendicular do we have? Yes, 50 meter perpendicular. 50 is a perpendicular, right? So 50 meter. And base we don't have. This base we don't have, right? This base value we don't have. So we'll figure out that then. Now next thing what we can do, again P by B. So tan 60 equal to P by B. Tan 60 what we can keep? Root 3 equal to what? 50 by base. And the base will come what? 50 by root 3. Okay. And see, it is told neither 1 by root 3 equal to 0.57 and all. So which means 50 by root 3 stands for what? 50 into 1 by root 3. Correct? Same thing now. 1 by root 3 value is what? 0.5777. Okay. Multiply that, you will get the value. What I'm just keeping directly. The value you will get here. Let me mention before. Okay, let it be. We'll mention it before. Everyone is getting it this, getting it this. Let me know till here. Like maybe it will getting it complicated and all. Are you getting it? Everyone, are you getting this? 28.85. No. Okay, fine. Let's continue then. So next thing what we can do here, at least we got the base value. After multiplication with this one, just let me get the answer of this one. 50 into this 0.5777. Anybody have answer of this? 28. Yeah, fine. Thanks, Ayan. 28.85. Okay. Okay, fine. So this base value we got it. What is that? 28.85. Now check this out. If this BC is 28.85, can we say ED also same thing? Can we say that? We can say, right? This also becomes same. This red color become also same, right? Now, as you see, yeah, as you see here, this become equal, and this ED is equal to what? This one, AE, correct? 50 meter is the whole. This value becomes what? This value? This become 28.85. Okay, subtract that. 50 minus, I'm doing directly here, but you have to write the content properly. After that one, your subtraction 21.15 will come. But here we got the value of this. But we are saying that here, let me mention that also, AE equal to DC. How we are saying this? Let me take a different color, you will understand better. AE equal to DC. How we are saying this, boys and girls? Because here we are having, see, lots of concept is used here. Here it is what? X shape, VOA, okay? If two angles are equal, opposite sides will be equal, which means AE become equal to what? AE become equal to what? This one, right? DC. 28.85. After subtraction, 21 point, this one will come. Wait, let me clear it. Let me take an easy way. Wait, let me repeat it again. Wait, say this again. I'm repeating this. I feel it is getting complicated. Say this. First thing, what we did here, first we had constructed. Okay, just focus on this pen only. Okay, first we made this. Okay, we got 45. We applied AED triangle. This one. We got the base value which is equal to perpendicular, which means this purple color equal to this purple color. Okay, these two are equal. Fine. Next thing what we did, when we taken the big triangle, we got the base value, which means this base value we got it 28.85. Okay, as we know that this BC is equal to what? Let me mention that also. BC equal to ED, and ED equal to what? AE. See, all the purple color all are equal now. Correct? Now AE become what? Let me mention here 28.85. Now, last answer is remaining here. As we know, AB is 50 meter. AE is what? 28.85. Can you able to figure out EB here? Can you able to figure out EB? So EB becomes what I'm writing here. EB becomes what? 50 minus 28.85. That become 21.15. Correct? Now check this. EB is equal to CD now, which means the height of pole become what? 21.15. So after the last and all, where I can write, I don't have a space. Height of pole become what? 21.15 meter. See what are, understood this one, everyone? Kind of little bit lengthier because it is a 5 marks question. That's why. First thing, again, I'm repeating it the last part because like many of you will maybe get confused and all. Let me take a dark color. See, first thing we are telling that this is equal to this one. Okay. Now we got the value of this BC. We know that BC equal to ED and ED equal to what? AE. Okay. We got the AE length, which is this. So for getting this EB, what we did, this whole 50 minus this one. So we got EB and EB equal to what? CD only, right? CD. And CD is what? The pole height. Done. Okay. Let me know in the comment box, please. Question was little bit lengthier also, and the kind of it was lengthier, not the difficult one. It is a lengthier one. Please ping the things and all, ping the message in the comment box, please. Do one thing. Let's conclude the things and all. I will give one question which you have to try on your own. Okay, so I will mention that question on the screen, and just you try to solve because maximum number of questions we have solved. One question, just you take it as a kind of task and solve it. Okay. Is okay this question part, everyone? This question part is okay? Only 3 people replied here. What about the others? Okay, so if it is okay, just let it be. Question number 3 you have to solve. Just copy the question and we are done for today. Question is, it is a small one only, but it is of 5 marks. From the top of question, copy the question properly, everyone. 7-meter high building. The diagram is not provided, so you have to make a diagram and then only you can easily figure out the answers. Elevation is elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree. Angle of depression of its foot is 30 degree. Determine the height of tower. Determine the height of tower. Okay, we kept the question on the screen. Kindly copy this and try to do on your own. Okay, copy this, everyone. Just we'll wait for some minutes. Copy this and you have to try on your own this question part. Make a diagram according to given question first, then only figure out the answers. Question is asking about height of tower. Okay. Read the question properly and then only just try to figure out the diagram. After figuring out the diagram, you can able to get the answer because the concept is same, no change. Copied, everyone? From the top of the 7-meter high building, top of the building, okay, angle of elevation, make it 60 degree, easy. Then angle of depression, which will go below down 30 degree, determine the height of tower. which mean see, just making a random of this uh, diagram part. Okay, suppose this is a building. From the top side, suppose, let me take a ground level first. It is making of how many angles? Angle of elevation, say this elevation 60 degree, which mean 60 is here. Okay, and angle of depression is what? 30. So from the top only depression, so this will go 30. Now make a straight line, join everything. So this become our building, which is of 7 meter. This become the whole tower. Okay, there's a whole tower. If you want to copy this, you can copy this. Question asking about what is this value? Tower, height of tower is what? You have a use of I mean AIA, the which things which it. This is our building and this is our tower. Copy this. At least I drawn the diagram for you. You can easily able to answer it. I know. Copied everyone? Yeah, fine. Praneet, good. Thank you. So let's still copying. Okay, just wait for 2 seconds more. You can copy this diagram also. Or either just I kept it now. You can stop the like video and you can just copy it. Okay. Let me stop sharing. Okay, so I hope today's class will be like beneficial for you. Benefited now. So thank you, or thank you all for joining this class. Thank you, everyone. You can leave the meeting, no issues. Thank you, everyone, for. I hope this class benefited you. Yeah, bye, Praneet, Bhavishya. Thank you. That that one is 7. Yeah, 7 meter. Height of building 7 meter. Another one is 21. Tower is 21. Tower total 28. Okay. Okay, we'll see the answers, Uday. We'll see the answer. The explanation is actually I mean, the solution of that one is very easy one. If you'll see properly and use just I'm mentioning in the chat box also. Okay, use AIA to get the answer. Use AIA, then only you'll get the answers. Okay, fine. Then you can leave the meeting. We are done for today. I'm just ending the live class now.